Hey, welcome back. If you've been following along, you know I've been fixing my irrigation system here in the backyard, trying to get it ready for a fall renovation. And yesterday I went through and kind of completed that, finished putting in a line where I teed off, a couple new sprinklers, got everything brought up to grade where I think it needs to be. I may have to final adjust that, and got the sprinklers all adjusted. But today, what I need to do is figure out how much water it's putting down so that I know I'm getting a ½ inch each time I water my lawn. And today I'm going to show you how to do that. So hold on a minute. Okay, so you commonly will hear the term like a tuna can challenge. What that is you basically you take a bunch of tuna cans and spread them out amongst your grass. If you have areas you think's not getting enough water, it'd be great to put one there. Or an area you think's getting too much, you can see kind of how much that's getting. And how you do that, you don't necessarily need a tuna can. Any type of container with a flat bottom will work. I happen to have a bunch of these bean dip cans, so I'm going to use this. But what you do is just spread these out amongst the yard and see how long it takes to get a ½ inch. What I've done is kind of taken these and put a little mark inside the can so I know where a ½ inch is, and as it's, I'm going to turn the sprinklers on for a half an hour, and as it's going I'm going to check and see about where it's at and kind of adjust my timing from there. A couple ways you can adjust it. One way is how long you're running the sprinklers, whether it be 30 minutes, 2 hours, whatever it's going to take. The other thing with a lot of sprinkler heads you can do is you can change the tip. A lot of these, when I put these in, I put them at 2 gallons per minute tips in them, but you can get varying tips to change them. So sometimes that might be easier. If you have like one sprinkler that's not getting enough, change that one tip and see and go from there. They're fairly inexpensive, $1 or $2. That's just one way you can do it. Anyway, so I'm going to get to this and see where I'm at. Okay, so I quickly discovered I need to double my watering time. 30 minutes only got me about a ½ inch, so I'm going to adjust that accordingly. I also need to add one sprinkler over in a corner because it's not getting nearly enough. But it's pretty much that simple. You want to make sure you get a ½ inch of water down twice, maybe 3 times a week if you're in some really warm weather, and that's good enough. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Hit the like button if you like it, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.
What is that? What are you doing?